Did you know that there's another Card Makers Success Summit just around the corner? So this is a free event that lasts for 4 days and starts on the 23rd of February with a kickoff party the night before. And I'm presenting again. I just am addicted to these summits. We always have such a good time. There are over 30 presentations, so there's something for everybody. We are getting our cards ready for all occasions over the year and learning lots of new techniques. And I've got 2 cards that we're going to be creating in the class, and also a shaped trifold card, so a great technique to go along with that. If you are a bit nervous about watercoloring, I'll walk you through it step by step, and I also have a freebie which will give you lots of tips and tricks to improve your watercoloring skills. So if you've been to the summits before, then you may already know about the fast action price. This is going to be the best deal if you are wanting to buy the VIP or access pass, which gives you immediate access to the classes as well as ongoing access and so much more. And I also have a bonus just for you. Don't tell anybody, but if you do use my affiliate link, then you're going to receive my card design hacks for creating masculine cards. I'm really excited for this summit and I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you for your support and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, happy paper crafting. Bye.